5:30. You told you'll start at 6 o'clock. 9 minutes earlier.
Meeting time is meeting time.
Hey, hi, how are you? Ella unnaru everything kesu ellarigu namaskara. This is me, your Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Our channel has content related to travel, motor vlogging and lifestyle. I hope you guys enjoy the Ooty series. If you didn't watch or if you're a new subscriber, I'm leaving a Kaigal above for Ooty playlist. You can watch it once you complete watching this video. So today is a Sunday. I'm out on a weekend ride on my beast Dominar. I'm going to Kaigal Falls with my Dominar Riders Club. So people are going in front and some people are coming at the back. I'll show you in a while. I already showed a little. So we're heading to Kaigal Falls. Kaigal Falls is becoming very famous in the last 1 year. It is 120 kilometers from Bangalore. We have traveled almost 70 kilometers. Another 50 kilometers. We'll have our breakfast and then go to Kaigal Falls. We're heading to have our breakfast in Mulbagal, which is very famous for Mulbagal dosa. So if you're coming in car, this will be the second toll gate. First toll gate will be 20 rupees and this toll gate will be 70 rupees. Being a biker, one advantage is we don't need to pay tolls. It is foggy around and it's a bit cool as well. But feels nice driving early in the morning. It's all together a different feel. Car rides are different, bike rides are way different. We have stopped at this place called Chetara Tindi Mulbagal dosa, which is just before the toll gate. We crossed the toll gate and came back because we actually planned to have breakfast here, but then we planned to have inside Mulbagal town, but again we are having here. All India Rider Gokul. Instagram, I Gokul. I'll leave his Instagram link in the description. You can watch his All India Ride photos, they are very nice. I wish he was a vlogger.
No, it's too much work. It's too much work actually. Don't do it.
Advice from another creator, content creator. Na ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ?
Those special. One on next is
They're making in chota pans. This is why Mulbagal dosa is famous. See how wide the floor is. Full round. Ready? We already had one. It is very nice. Mubarak, how is dosa? How is idli?
Yeah, idli is awesome.
What about dosa?
Dosa also awesome.
Gokul, you are foodie. You should review it properly.
It's very nice, very nice. Expecting the sharp, so
Ah,
good. And
See,
everything was different.
the
I didn't
hotel is
expect
very
this.
small, but taste
No,
is.
not small actually. When this a beautiful setup is there, you don't expect good food actually. It's an experience in Bangalore. If it looks good, food is bad, but then it tastes good and the shop is good.
Taste is very nice. Yes. We are done with breakfast and we are heading to Kaigal Falls now. The breakfast was very good. You can definitely taste here. The idli was good. The lemon rice was good. Dosa next level. I'll rate it 10 out of 10. Everyone thoroughly enjoyed it. So here under this flyover we have to take a right diversion. It is showing Mulbagal. So this is the diversion which takes us to Mulbagal Road. Sorry, not Mulbagal Road, Mulbagal Town. Here I am going under the flyover, and under the flyover we need to take a right. Most of the time people will follow Google Map, but I say route because it will be useful for some people who watch the video and get an idea of how to go without using Google Map. Don't always blindly trust Google Map because sometimes it takes you to roads which are dead ends. I hope you can see the road was not that great. There are a lot of patches in between, and that side road work is also going on. So this stretch will take some time because we have to travel more than 20 kilometers on this road. In between it's good here and there, but I travel 5 kilometers inside the diversion. Half of the road is not that great. Just watch how many patches are there. We just crossed one patch and came again. This is the second patch. This one seems to be good. Let's see how far it is good and how long the road is like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, this seems to be good. Yes, it's good till there. No. That is why we have to drive slow in roads like this. And blind corner. Another blind corner. Another blind corner. Whenever I drive in roads like this, I just feel I'm very close to the nature. See, there's water around and everything is green, and the coconut trees as well. Because of riding, I'm actually able to experience all this. If I am not a biker, I would have not experienced most of this. Even the roads, so many curves. The road is like this, zigzag. We are inside Andhra Pradesh now. This stretch of road is too good. I think this is one state highway. I saw a signboard there saying Chittoor is this is I think 70 kilometers. I didn't notice properly, but it was showing Chittoor. This road is too good. I think from here it's all mud road. There is no proper tar or cement road, I guess. Yes, people are already doing off-roading. I think from here it's nearer. I was saying road is very good, not even 2 kilometers. Gokul is happily doing off-roading. Full of mud road, but it's good. but when it is raining or in rainy season it will be little difficult. So this is car parking, I think. Yes, yeah, this is car parking, and that's bike parking. We parked our bikes over there. We paid 50 rupees for the parking fees and we are walking, and I think it's 500 meters. They told we can take the bikes if you want to risk, but we kept there and came. We walked around 100 meters. We have to walk more. The road is not bad or not too good. People can walk. They have brought bikes still here, other people. I told you, right, it's not safe. If you want to bring, you can bring till here, or you can park there at the start and come. Up to your wish. See, I think now the exact forest trail will happen. That's one beautiful waterfall. Just watch it around. They're climbing down. There is another waterfall over there. We'll climb down and show you. Seriously, this is a very beautiful place. I didn't expect this to be such beautiful, but it's very beautiful. I'll show you that side. Water is flowing from there and it is falling down. We'll go there. We have to get down. This is the way if you want to go to that viewpoint where you have Shivlinga waterfall. I'll just add a time lapse, see how difficult the pathway is to the waterfall. This is just a viewpoint from above. Guys, Arun will get down and show, see how difficult it is. If you're coming with kids, I think I suggest you not to do it, but be careful. Another vlogger vlogging. I'll get down. ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ದಿಗೋ ರೇ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ರೇ. So there is Shivlinga. We are going there. Be careful, man. Arun bag తీసుకో Arun. ఇంకో దారి అరుణ్ అటు సైడ్ నీట్గా ఉంది. We are actually wearing riding shoes. It's getting little difficult, but we are going down. Be very careful, people. Everyone will show waterfall, everyone will post photos, everyone will post reels, but no one will show you the struggle while getting down. So today we are doing it. Okay, successfully We are here. See how slippery it is. People are really struggling to cross to that side near that Shivlinga. So here is one more waterfall. That side 2, 3 on top, 1, 4. So total 4 waterfalls. We're trying to cross to that side. Everywhere it's water, full of water, all the sides. People are just enjoying. Bro, careful, careful. They're just playing, enjoying. Everyone is enjoying. I'm here. I don't want to get on in water because I'm not a big fan of water games. I'm playing in water. Let them play for some time and come meet me.
He fell 3 times. Stop continuously. 3 times.
Time is 10:45 and it is already getting crowded up. We reached early but still the crowd is heavy now because it is a weekend and a Sunday. So if you're coming here, come before 10 a.m. or come on a weekday so that you can enjoy to the maximum and enjoy the water around, because if you come too late it will be crowded like this. So, and one more thing, the rocks here are uneven and the water algae is very bad, so it is very slippery. So please take extra caution while getting into water while coming up. And also if you're coming with kids, be extra careful. That is advice from my end, because when showing places we should tell about the positives and negatives about the place as well. The place is very scenic, very beautiful. You can have a very nice time here. The water is very good, even though it is off season, like season is coming down, but water is still there. That is why people call it maybe all season waterfall. So safety comes first, rest is everything. So safety matters a lot. Please be careful. Please take extra precaution while coming here. We'll leave in some time, let those guys come out. The water is not that deep. You can see those 2 guys in the water. They'll be around 5'8" or 5'7". So water is like 4 to 5 feet deep. And the date is 6th of February today. With time passing like another 1 month or so, the water will reduce even and it will be around 3 to 4 feet. Time is 11:15. I told it will be crowded up. See the number of people around. While coming it was fine because we are getting downhill. Now we are climbing uphill. It's very tough. We are literally climbing like this. We are having coconut here. We'll have coconut and then start. Everyone are like exhausted after climbing up. It's around 600 meters. So after climbing up, we are having coconut, fresh tended coconut from the farms. Okay. Okay. So we are done visiting the waterfall. We are going back. We'll have lunch with our club and then go home. So this is the main road. I think people will be waiting there. Definitely. Not here. Okay. Long queue. People are waiting over there. Some people are gonna go home. We'll have our lunch and then go home. We have stopped at this place called Balaji Bhavan and my gang is behind. We'll have lunch here and then leave to Bangalore. So they are distributing badges and stickers. New batch, yeah? Old batch.
I thought of this week that plan only. If I do that plan, you will kill me. I know that. I'll come. Only thing is, I should get a place to have something. That's all. Most probably this week. This is the same thing he was doing. Everything he will capture. Bye.
I didn't order.
Normal butter chicken, rice and butter chicken.
Nah, ఏదో ఒకటి. Let's finish.
బటర్ నాన్ ఇచ్చాడు నార్మల్ నాన్.
We are done with our lunch and we are leaving. Me and Jaggu are gonna go on the last. వస్తావా? GoPro mic. ఓకే ఓకే GoPro mic వచ్చేసింది చూడు. ఓకే. We have reached Osco Toll Plaza. See the queue. Sunday evening 4 p.m. Hell lot of crowd and so many cars lined up, even with FASTag. Around 6 lines of FASTag. Crazy. Osco Toll Gate, Bangalore entrance happens. Yes, I think our guys have stopped here for tea. From here we'll disperse. That is how we do it regularly. We stopped here for having tea. We'll have tea and go home. Okay, we are leaving. People are...
It was a nice day. Hey, don't record all this now.
We are starting back. That was just 10 minutes break. Kayarpuram hanging bridge. Time is 4:15 p.m. They have started this metro on Kayarpuram Hebbal stretch as well. Sorry, yeah, tin factory cable, everything is on this Hebbal stretch as well. So this area is also a little traffic prone now. And then we can successfully complete it. Kaigal Falls was a very beautiful place. Even though the water flow was not that deep, but still with whatever amount of water it was there, it was beautiful. But if you're visiting the place, be cautious and be careful because it is very slippery and the rocks are uneven. You may get hurt easily. There were 3-4 people who fell down, but I didn't record because I don't want to shoot such things. And it's like 120 kilometers exactly up and down. It's 120 kilometers from my home. From Kayarpuram it will be around 100 kilometers, and that's the same route. And what else? Bangalore traffic any day, any time. The traffic will be like this. Nagavara signal. Yeah, it's 120 kilometers. So if you're planning to visit before 10 p.m. so that the crowd will be less, and if it is possible you can visit on a weekday as well. Parking fees, it's 50 rupees for bike and 100 rupees for car. And the coconuts which we bought there, they charge 30 rupees for each coconut. And also there are food items available which you can have. That's pretty much about Kaigal Falls. I hope you guys like the video. In case if you guys like the video, please press the like button. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Your subscribe count will help me a lot. This is me, Rupesh, signing off. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.